Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to another batch file tutorial. Now in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to build sort of an advanced calculator that prompts the user for what option they want to use. So if they want to use add, they'll enter 1. If they want to use subtract, they'll enter 2. If they want to use multiply, enter 3. Divide, enter 4. Then depending on which number they enter will depend on which option basically gets chosen. Well, why don't I just show you? Alright, so let's get started. Now first we want to start off with the user input. So what we want to input is their option. And we're going to prompt them with 1 being add, 2, I'm not even sure if you can have parentheses in these, but 2 is going to be subtract, 3 multiply, and 4 is going to be divide. Like that. Now we want to have another set option, so we want to do set /p fnum and then enter first number. Alright, now we want to make them into the second number, so /p snum equals enter second number. After we do that, what we need is an if statement. So if %option % is equal to 1, which is add, what do we want to do? Yeah. What we want to do is we want to go to add. Else if %option % equals 2, then what we want to do? Well, we want to go to subtract, just like that. Else if %option % equal to 3, then we want to go to multiply. Then else if %option % is equal to 4, go to divide. 1 second, let me yawn. Okay, I yawned. There's a little bit of fuzz on my microphone, but I'll get that off later. Alright, now I want to do our else statement, which is basically going to be our error. So here's where a little trick's going to come in. First of all, I'm going to CLS, then I'm going to change the color to black background with red text by putting 0C. Then, at the top, it's just going to say error in all caps. Then we're going to skip 2 lines, like that. Then we're going to say, the option you entered does not exist. Please try again. Now, from what I used to do with batch programming, this col right here can go up to, like, 84 or something before you have to get to a new line or something like that, I think. But that's what I'm normally familiar with. And also I'm rendering a Minecraft Let's Play as I'm doing this, so it might be a bit laggy. But yeah, after that, what we want to do, we want to pause it, then go to main. So that way, if they mess up, what it'll do is it'll clear the screen, give them this error message, and then it should go back up here. And what we want to do is we want to CLS this, so that way whenever they come here they won't see the red text mixed with the white, and it'll look ugly. Alright, now we got our basic main done. Now I need to create the separate little things. I'm going to call them functions or methods. Yeah, methods is a good one for them. I'll call them methods just because it's an easier way to verify them. So we're going to create the add method. Now we actually don't have to skip any lines. All we gotta do is just set /a, if you remember from the last tutorial, add equals %fnum % plus %snum %. Now I want to teach you a small thing really quickly. Now there's different ways you can like add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Now if you already know the symbols to use for multiply, divide, and subtract and all that, go ahead and skip ahead in the video until I start working some more. But these are the symbols. Plus, of course, is add. The little minus sign is subtract. Now, here's where it gets a little bit confusing. The asterisk, which is above your 8, if you hold shift and press 8, you'll get that. That is your, not your subtract, but that is your multiply symbol, if you didn't know that. And then, of course, your divide is your /, just like that. These are what you use for adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. So that's your small little tutorial on that. So basically we're going to be changing this part in almost each and every one. So now what we want to do is we want to skip a line, and then we want to echo out, add, and then pause it, and then exit. Because if we don't exit right here, it's going to continue on to the subtract, and it's going to go through every single one if we pick add. So we don't want that to happen. So we wanted to just do that from scratch. Now I'm going to copy and paste this. So I'm going to copy, paste, 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 because we're going to be using 4 of these total. And then we just change this, whoa, mouse lag, to subtract, like that. I'll just call the variable sub, like that. And then we change this to a dash. And then we print out sub, like that. Change this to multiply. Did I spell that wrong? Nope. Okay. And change this to multi because I'm too lazy to type. Now remember, shift 8 to get that asterisk. And then right here, print out multi. Then we'll go down, then call this divide, like that. Then we'll add a slash there, then call this div. Then we'll call this div as well. Now, we are finished. All we gotta do is save and run. As you can see, rendering right there. Almost done, actually. Alright. Here's our program. So, sorry about that. So what we want to do is we want to start out with adding. So let's hit 1. Now I want to add something simple. Let's add 5 plus 5. We get 10. And then it exits the thing. Now we launch it again. We want to subtract. So let's take 10 minus 5. We should get 5. And we did. Awesome. Now we got 2 more to test. Alright, now we're going to do the basics for multiplication. 5 times 5 equals what? 25? Right. Now, let's do divide, and let's divide 50 by 2. We should get 25. What? Right there. So that is your basic tutorial on how to make a sort of advanced calculator in batch programming. And show this to your friends, I guess. Like, say, if your Windows calculator isn't working for some stupid reason, you can either call up Microsoft, or you could just build your own right here. So yeah, that's your basic tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial, and in the next Minecraft Let's Play, which I'm really looking forward to. And yeah, I can make longer than 15-minute videos now, so lots of Minecraft Let's Plays are going to be coming out. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you later. Bye.